Hey guys, welcome back. Right here, gonna be doing the vinyl wrap on a spoiler. Super excited. Let me show you guys. So I'm gonna vinyl wrap this just right here on the top. I'm gonna put knifeless tape right here. This I'm leaving in gray, so I'm just gonna do the black right here. This is still holding on, but just this one. I'm gonna vinyl wrap it, so I'm gonna show you guys. With alcohol, with this one. Then I'm gonna put some tape underneath the thing, so when I use the knife, I won't scratch it from the paint. I'm gonna put tape underneath the thing.
What I saw when you break it off, you'll see who had it all. You had it You said you wanted to fall into oblivion, forget about the world we're living in. Fall into oblivion, oblivion. I'm going in. Fall asleep when you're counting stars. Get it together. Your mind can't sleep when you let it serve. Now you wanna see me fall from a quarter mile. I can see you at the call. Think about it, ring won't tell you what I saw. When you break it up, you'll see who had it all. You had it all. I'm going in.
Hey guys, So that's pretty much it on the project. I did on a spoiler. Tell me what you guys think. If I should have done it full wrap or leave it like that. Just comment below. If you have any questions, comment below too. I'll try to answer all of them. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And I'll leave the link on the vinyl wrap or the tools I use in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe, because in the next video I'm gonna be doing the fog lights on this vehicle. So can't wait to show you. And take care guys, and peace out. Peace.